Cracks in concrete look small, but they can destroy entire buildings over time. Imagine a bridge that repairs its own cracks without human help, or a wall that heals itself after an earthquake. It sounds like science fiction, right? But it is real and it is called self healing concrete, a material that could change the future of construction forever. So, how does this genius invention actually work? Let's find out together. Concrete is the most used material on Earth after water. From roads to skyscrapers, it holds our modern world together. But there is one big problem with concrete: it cracks easily under stress, heat, or movement. When cracks form, water seeps inside and reaches the steel reinforcement. The steel starts to rust and expands inside the concrete. This expansion makes the cracks worse and weakens the structure. Engineers spend billions every year repairing this damage. But what if the concrete could repair itself automatically? That idea gave birth to self healing concrete. There are two main types of self healing concrete. One uses bacteria, and the other uses capsules with special chemicals. Let's start with the bacteria based version. Scientists mix special bacterial spores into the concrete mix. These bacteria stay asleep like seeds waiting for water. When a crack forms and water enters, the bacteria wake up. They feed on nutrients stored in the concrete. Then they produce limestone as waste material. That limestone fills the cracks and seals them shut. Once the crack is closed, the bacteria go back to sleep. It is like having millions of tiny builders living inside your walls. These bacteria can survive for decades without food or air. The second type of self healing concrete uses microcapsules. These capsules are filled with a special healing liquid. When a crack forms, the capsule breaks open and releases the liquid. The liquid reacts with air or water and hardens inside the crack. It glues the concrete back together and restores its strength. Some versions even use tiny fibers that pull cracks closed automatically. The goal is simple: to make concrete last longer without repairs. This means fewer road closures, fewer rebuilds, and less pollution. Because making new concrete releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide. Self healing concrete could help save billions and protect our planet. Real projects are already testing it in the Netherlands and the UK. Professor Henk Jonkers created bacteria based concrete that can last 2 centuries. Even NASA is testing similar materials for future Mars habitats. Imagine cities that repair themselves and roads that never need patching. That is the genius mechanism behind self healing concrete and the future of construction.